How to make Shopify store appear on Google. Launching a beautiful Shopify store means absolutely nothing if your brand remains completely invisible to search traffic. Many new merchants make the mistake of waiting weeks for Google to discover their domain organically. You don't need to cross your fingers and wait. Today we are claiming absolute ownership of your digital property inside Google Search Console and submitting your native Shopify sitemap to force immediate indexing. Right, and number one is going to be, of course, claiming domain verification. So just go to Google, type in Google Search Console, right, go here, go to the console, and of course sign in with your business account. Okay, press on Start Now, and under the Select Property Type dashboard layout, paste your clean primary store domain into the URL prefix box and click Continue. In order to do that, go to My Store, just copy it right over here, okay, and then paste it right here, and then press on Continue, or here, okay, and in here, of course, you will have to verify first. So from the verification choices that surface, you need to expand the HTML tag option and copy the meta tag string code block. All right, and after that, you jump back into your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store, then to Themes, and then you click on three dots next to your active theme right here, and then choose Edit Code. And then you just need to open here your root theme.liquid file. Let us search for it. Theme.liquid under Layouts. Open this one. Right, and paste that meta tag line directly underneath the opening head tag element. Right here we have head, so you just paste it right under it. And then click Save. And then return to Google Search Console to click Verify. Okay, and now the second step is submitting the native sitemap file. So now that Google recognizes you as the absolute owner of the domain, let's feed it your structural catalog map. So you just need to look at the left-hand menu tree inside your freshly verified Google Search Console, and under Indexing category card, click on Sitemaps. And now as Google recognizes you as the absolute owner of the domain, you need to feed it your structural catalog map. So just navigate to Sitemaps right over here. It's going to be right here, this tab right here. And then locate the text field labeled Add a new sitemap. And then Shopify dynamically generates and maintains your sitemap automatically at your root directory. You do not need to download or upload anything. Simply type sitemap XML directly into that text field cell and click Submit. So that is it. After that, Google will process the submission pull and update your status card to a green success within a day. That is it for this review and this guide for you guys. Enjoy, like and subscribe. See you soon.